Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to earn money by using Scribie, then this video is for you. Scribie is a platform where you can transcribe your customers' video or any type of voice recording or any type of script into audio description audio that you can describe in the respected language, and you can transcribe them, and you can actually earn around 5 to $20 per hour per audio hour. That means it will give you $5 to $20 per audio hour, per 1 hour audio, according it's depend on that audio transcribe conditions. So it will up down the amount according or depending on that transcription details or transcription amount or the type actually. So here you can see work at your convenience and earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. That's when they provide automated transcripts to save you around 60% of the typing effort. So first you just need to go to the scribie.com and you will find this type of interface for default, and you just need to scroll down to the bottom and you just need to find out that resources, and in this section you will find freelancer. When you click on it, you will find a freelancer page where you can find the details about all of this of what you should need to be a freelancer on Scribie and what you should need to be eligible for earning money on Scribie. So here you can see an announcement here that it's temporarily paused on hiring freelancer transcribers. So that's mean right now they have enough freelancer on Scribie that are currently working actively. So they have just temporarily paused on hiring new freelancers. So you just need to keep coming on Scribie and check for the hiring notice. If there's any hiring notice, then they will provide you some criteria that you should meet with that criteria, and you can be a perfect candidate on Scribie. So prove yourself on Scribie and be a freelancer and earn money by transcribing customers' needs. Now from here, what is transcriptions? If you want to know that, you must need to first listen. So required skill are listening ability and good comprehension of English. So you might need to be fluent on English, and you must need to have a perfect listening ability or skill. So you can just listen to your customers' needs, then you can just transcribe according to their needs or choice. Then correct, apply context, identify mistakes, and correct the automated transcript. So you must need to apply a perfect context on their actually what their needs. You must need to understand what your customer need, what they want to transcribe on, or what is the topic. You must need to apply a perfect context on that topic. Then identify mistakes. You have to identify the mistakes that your customers or the customers of Scribie is making, and correct the automated transcript. So you must need to correct the automated transcript, that transcript by Scribie. You have to correct them. Then you will get paid. You can earn $5 to $20 per audio hour paid into your verified PayPal account. So that means you must need a verified PayPal account to get paid from Scribie. Now how much you earn in month? So in beginner, if you are beginner, you can earn $400 per month. You must need to spend daily hours, 8 hours daily, 8 hours on Scribie, and you must need to meet these criteria like good English comprehension, ability to interrupt conversations, ability to apply context and identify mistakes. You must need a verified PayPal account, a laptop, desktop or computer, and an internet connection, a stable internet connection, and a headphone and or the headset. So if you are an intermediate, then you can earn $800 per month. You also need to spend 8 hours per day, and if you are on advanced level, then you can earn up to 1600 per month. Yes, you can increase this scale here, so it will increase the hour here. If you want to spend 12 hours, then you can earn up to 2400 per month. So that's a perfect passive money that you can earn or income from this Scribie platform. Now here you find the transcriber guide. You can follow this guide. Let me show you the guide here. So here you can see some guides here, so you can read all these articles here, so you can get some help, and it will help you a lot, I think, if you read it and properly understand the criteria and the process and the actually the points that they want. And here you find some requirement that we have already explained on earlier here. So here you can find some requirements. You must need a verified PayPal account. Then here is the transcription process. So they follow a 4-step transcription process. Each step is described below. That means here it is. The first step is raw transcriptions. So files are split into small parts. Our certified transcribers listen to their files and type them out. Files are around 6 to 10 minutes. So they will actually type them and they will send the file to you, and the files are around about 6 to 10 minutes. Then review. Now reviewers check raw transcript for accuracy and correct them, and speaker tracking and time codes at these steps. Each part is reviewed separately. Then the proofreading. So parts are collected into larger parts and is proofread for consistency and accuracy, and the file are longer at this stage. Now quality check. Accuracy of the combined file is assessed. The file alternates between proofreading and QC style. Accuracy is 99% and the plus. So make sure you keep mind to all this process, keep it at your mind. So as a certified transcriber, you can log into your account anytime, select a file, submit. The earnings will be credited to your account when your file is delivered to the customer. You can obviously preview the file to check the quality and XSN and before selecting. Now the payments here. So here is certification process that you must need to follow. That first one is sign up as a transcriber. The first step is to sign up as a transcriber for the sign up from the sign up page. So you can just go to the sign up page, or you can just go to the home page and you will find account option where you will find sign in and sign up button. So you can simply click on sign up, and from here you will find this page where you will find sign up button. Simply click on sign up, and you have to create an account of your own, but make sure that in user type you select freelancer. Right now they are not hiring any new freelancer or new transcriber. That's why there's only one options accurate here, like customer. So whenever they hiring a new freelancer or new employee to their company, so you can actually select the freelancer here. Then you can just fill up this form here. Then you can go through the captcha and click on these two boxes here to agree to their terms and conditions, and simply click on this create an account with Scribie. So then you have to confirm your email. So email confirmation. To confirm your email address, they will send an email to the sign up email with a link. Please you have to visit the link in your browser to complete the account creation. You can delete your account and sign up with an alternate email as well. So you will get a login link, so you can just click on the link to confirm your email. So make sure that you have entered an active email that of yourself. Then you can just confirm your email without any hesitation. Now set a PayPal account. Before you take the test, you have to specify a verified PayPal account, which is necessary requirement. Yes, this is mandatory actually. So you have to set up your verified PayPal account with your PayPal account credentials, like your PayPal number or the email address that you have integrated with your PayPal account, and the password also. Then you can just integrate your PayPal account with Scribie, and they can just review your PayPal account, and then you can just go to the test. You can take the test from the Scribie. Then test file submission. To take the test, choose one of the files listed. You will find some different files, so you have to choose a specific file that you want to take test from. So transcribe it and submit the transcript. So you have to transcribe it and you have to submit that transcript. Then they will review that file, and if it's compatible and if it's perfect, and if they find you proper candidate, then they can just get to you. Please note that your submission will be rejected if any guideline violations are found. So any type of mistake or any guideline violations could be a reason for a rejection. Now certified, your submission will be graded when the file delivered to the customer. Depending upon the grade, you will either be certified as a transcriber and paid for the test file or rejected. If rejected, you may compare the difference between your submissions and reviewed file. Enable retest and submit another test file. The maximum number of attempts is 10. So keep in mind, you can get paid for that perfect and past test file that you have submitted. They also paid for that test file, and you only have 10 attempts, so make sure you get passed in that 10 attempts. And they also allow retest and resubmission for another test file. So each time you will get different types of files. You won't get same file in these 10 attempts. You will find different files and topics in every attempts. So that's all that here you'll find the transcriptions, guidelines. You can read them from here. You can just come to the scribie.com/help/scribie-guide, and you will find this page where you'll find all the guides, and here is the guidelines. So make sure you don't violate these guidelines, one of them. Do not violate a single of guidelines from here. Now the style suggestion, that which style you should follow to create the transcription file. Now here you'll find the sample transcription from here that you can see. Here is the voice and here is the transcription. So that's all. Here you'll find a sample. It will help you a lot, I think. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. And that's all. That's how you can just earn money. And make sure you visit Scribie every day to get the update about the hiring new freelancer on Scribie. Thanks for watching. Till next time.